Hello everyone, welcome back to Middleware.AiAcademy. In our previous video, we talked about the roadmap of Apache Tomcat. So in today's video, we'll take the first step of our journey, which is the introduction of Tomcat, where we are going to learn about what is Apache Tomcat, history and versions of Tomcat, difference between Tomcat and Apache HTTP server, and where Tomcat is used in real world. So let's begin. So introduction to Tomcat. What is Apache Tomcat? Apache Tomcat is one of the most widely used application servers in the world. It's open source, lightweight, and maintained by the Apache Software Foundation. It is not just a simple web server, it is a Java servlet container that can run Java-based web applications like servlets, JSP, and WebSocket. Unlike heavy application servers such as WebLogic or JBoss, Tomcat is easy to install, configure, and run. That's why it's extremely popular among developers, middleware, engineers, and enterprises. So, next, what is Apache Tomcat? Apache Tomcat is an open source Java application server. Its main purpose is to run Java web applications. Think of it as the engine that executes Java code on the server side and delivers responses to users in the browser. It implements several Java EE specifications such as Java Servlet, Java Server Pages, WebSocket. Tomcat comes bundled with a small HTTP web server, so you don't need a separate one just to get started. If your Java application is like a car, Tomcat is the engine that makes it run. History and versions of Tomcat. Tomcat was first released in 1999 by the Apache Software Foundation. It originated from the reference implementation of Java servlets and JSP provided by Sun Microsystems. Over time, Tomcat evolved to support newer Java EE specifications and became the standard for running Java web applications. The major versions are following, which is starting from Tomcat 3.x to Tomcat 11.x, current as of 2005, and it is latest with Jakarta EE10.11 support. Each version of Tomcat aligns with a particular Java EE specification. That's why it's important to use the correct version based on your project requirements. Now, one of the most common confusions is between Apache HTTP server and Apache Tomcat. So what is the difference? So Apache HTTP server is basically for general purpose web server, whereas Apache Tomcat is for application server. Apache HTTP server serves static files like HTML, CSS, JS images, whereas Apache Tomcat runs Java servlets, JSP, WebSocket apps. Apache HTTP server extremely fast and scalable for static content, whereas Apache Tomcat is optimized for dynamic content. Apache HTTP server again does not execute Java servlets or JSP, whereas Apache Tomcat comes with lightweight HTTP handling. What's the difference between in production? So Apache HTTP server handles static files and load balancing, whereas Tomcat handles dynamic Java-based requests. Next, where Tomcat is used in real world. Apache Tomcat powers millions of applications worldwide. It's often used in enterprises, startups, and cloud environments because of its simplicity and reliability. Examples: banking and finance, secure web applications, transaction portals, e-commerce, shopping sites built with Java frameworks like Spring running on Tomcat, healthcare, patient management and medical record systems, education, university portals, e-learning apps, Enterprises, middleware engineers deploy var files on Tomcat for internal applications. Cloud, Tomcat is widely available on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud for quick deployment of Java apps. Basically, whenever you have a Java-based web application, there's a high chance Tomcat is behind the scenes making it run. I hope you find this video useful, and we have covered our first topic today. We will come up with more videos. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to press the button, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.